Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how to share your profile to social media like TikTok, Facebook, and every other social media. So, for example, I'm gonna assume I'm in this department. So, when I click on my particular department, I go to my profile and I click on Akim Nafisat for this example. And if you look at the top right part, you see an icon, a camera icon. All you have to do is click on that, and when you do, there'll be a bottom sheet that's going to come up, and from here I can easily choose whatever template I wish to share and the ratio I wish to share with. So we have the square, we have the 9 ratio 16, different ratios, different templates. And if I'm not ready to share now, I can easily save to my profile. um Bear in mind, there might be an OTP, that's a one-time password that will be sent to your phone number, so that anybody else cannot just come to your profile and share your particular flyer, final yearbook flyer. So thank you. That's just how to share your profile to social media. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.